Welcome to this video on finding percentages of amounts. Let's have a look at some questions together. My first question is 10% of 60. If you're finding 10% of a number, you're dividing it by 10. So 10% of 60 equals 6. Let's use that to answer some other questions. 20% of 400. So the place to start is 10% of a number. So 10% of 400 equals 40. We can then scale that up to 20%. So 10% times 2 is going to be 20%. So 40 times 2 is 80. So 20% of 400 equals 80. The next question is 30% of 70. So start with 10% again. 10% of 70 equals 7. We can then scale that up to 30%. 10% times 3 is 30%. So 7 times 3 is 21. So 30% of 70 is 21. My next question is 70% of 40. Once again, start off with 10%. 10% of 40 equals 4. We can then scale that up to 70%. 10% times 7 equals 70%. 4 times 7 equals 28. So 70% of 40 equals 28. My next question is 5% of 800. Once again, start off with 10%. 10% of 800 equals 80. This time we're going to scale downwards. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 80 divided by 2 is 40. 5% of 800 equals 40. We can now start to put some of those pieces together. The next question is 15% of 60. Start off with 10% again. 10% of 60 equals 6. We're going to scale downwards to get 5%. 10% divided by 2 is 5%. 6 divided by 2 is 3. If we put 10% together with 5%, we get 15%. So 6 add 3 is 9. So 15% of 60 equals 9. Let's have a look at one last question. 35% of 800. Start off with 10% again. 10% of 800 equals 80. I'm now going to go up to 30%. It's going to scale upwards. 10% times 3 is 30%. 80 times 3 is 240. So I have 30%, but I still need 5%. So let's go back to 10%. 10% equals 80. Let's scale down to 5%. 10% divided by 2 equals 5%. 80 divided by 2 is 40. So now we have 30% and 5%. If we put those together, we get 35%. If we put 240 together with 40, then we'll have our answer. So 35% of 800 equals 280. Thank you for watching this video. We've got additional videos on finding percentages and amounts on our channel, and you can also find links to more resources in the description below.